calling this mini shelf necklace Nature Lover. The water bottle snaps on and off, as well as the apple and the perfume bottle. And all three of them can trade places. That's another perfume bottle back there, and the record comes out when the books come out. And that's a sea turtle incense holder. There's trees and a bunch of nature paintings. There's a bowl of gemstones. The daisy comes out and the Swarovski vase comes off. And in here, there is a bird in its nest who can perch right here. He was too cute to glue down. And there's a butterfly friend hanging out with him, and they both got snacks. And in this one, there is a whole bunch of stuff. There's some spare Palo Santos and a spare candle to go in there. There's a camera, oops, and a pocket watch. There's some acorns and a donut that's also on a snap, so it can go in any of those. And make room for that. And then there's a orange CZ just for fun. And the books come out. The Sodalite globe spins and there's a heart on it. It's kind of got a shine to it, but in the books there's a bunch of fun stuff. There's a lizard, a bunch of definitions, a feather, some butterflies, a mushroom guy and a dragonfly, a little travel stamp. And then in this one, some more definitions, some cash money, a 3-leaf clover, a little leaf collage, and those wedge in like so. On the side, there's a clock and the hands move. There's a spinning sun, some keys. There's a squirrel eating some acorns with a dragonfly friend. And these all come off. And yeah, I like this one. Thank you for watching.